Wow, greetings. My name is Phoenix, your very dream activator. I want to speak briefly on a topic I so titled I Reject Rejection. Before then, I want to remind you of our last week message, which I titled Danger of Anger. See, anger is one of the dangerous character or one of the destructive character in every man's life. You know, today as we speak, there are many in the prison yard, many in the police custody, many lost their job, many lost their business, many lost their home. Many girls, boys, they are still single today as a result of anger. So anger is one of the characters as a believer we should pay attention to because it is so destructive, so disgraceful, and sometimes we don't actually pay attention to it. I want to remind you that you should go back to the last week message, watch it, try to follow it up and kill that dangerous anger in your life. But today I want to emphasize on what I title I Reject Rejection. Rejection is a disease which many of us we are facing today. Imagine as a young girl, you took your time to be with a man, all the name of relationship, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, even 10 years, the case may be. When it goes to the time of marriage, the man will pick somebody else who is not even up to your standard. It is not the fault of the man, it is because there is a spirit of rejection following you. Even some men, they are still going through rejection. Why is it that you have been working in that place? Your boss don't favor you. Somebody that you joined the company yesterday, receiving promotion, receiving gift, receiving award, but none is coming to you. It is because of that spirit of rejection. Why is it that as a girl, 1 year, 12 months, no man will even ask your hand, babe, I love you. No man will even call you on the road. It is a spirit of rejection, not that you are not beautiful. It is not what you put on your face, you call it Mary Kay, call it that, call it foundation, that will make you to be attractive to man. There is a spirit that's supposed to be inside you, which is the spirit of acceptance. That is why today you see some girls, as they are walking, men will be killing, calling them. It's not because they are beautiful, but it's because of that spirit of acceptance that is in them. What brings favor, it is a result of acceptance. But when you lack acceptance, which is rejection, men can never favor you. Women, if you manage to marry, you will be a stranger in your marriage. Why? Because of spirit of rejection that is in you. Now, what are we talking about when we're talking about rejection? The word rejection means to be abandoned, to be ignored, to be disvalued. Now, you've been in a relationship with somebody. At the long run, you try all means to make it work, make the person happy, doing everything, even when the person is insulting you. You try to build it, try to do everything to make it work. Now, it goes to a time you need the person most. Now, it is a time of settlement. The person will just leave you. And when you look at the person claim with, you discover that the person is not even up to your standard. When you talk of qualification, when you talk of character, when you talk of beauty, everything. Why is it? Because of that spirit of rejection. Now, what are the things that actually brings about rejection? 1, sin. S-I-N, sin. Remember, God told us in the book of 1 Samuel chapter 16 verse 1. And God spoke to Samuel, Prophet Samuel. He said, how long will you mourn for Saul when I have rejected him? Imagine a man was still living God will see that man as a dead man. Because God sent Samuel a message, he went back and did what comes out of your mind, which is disobedience. Sin can bring rejection. When you are living a life that is contrary to the commandments of God, you will be facing rejection. That is why as a believer, one of the things you must do, live the life that must be right to the will of God, so that you will not be facing rejection. The second thing that brings about rejection is idol. Idol. Now, if you were be dedicated to an idol, or probably your parent, your forefather, now there is an idol in your community, you refuse to break out of it, that idol will be following you. Wherever you go, you may be a young girl, people will be seeing old man in you. You may be a very handsome man, what they will be seeing in you is monster, animal. The third thing that brings rejection is character. When your character is not good, everybody around you that come your way, you quarrel with them. Your anger so destructive. If you lie, nobody on earth can trace that lie. You are so jealous. Anybody comes to your way, you fight the person. When your character is not good, men will be running from you. Women will be, even your parents will even hate you. They will destroy you. If your character is not, even God himself will reject you because of your character. So that is why as a believer, we take time to fight against bad character. You say men don't come to your way. The one that comes to your way, you use your character to drive them away. Now you are looking for another to come. There is no friend, nobody on earth that is good apart from you. One other thing that brings rejection is power of witchcraft. Yes, when you are under the oppression of witchcraft manipulation, see, men will never see you. They will cover you with filthy garment. That is why everywhere you go, people may even be seeing you as a witch. Somebody planned to favor you. Before you knew it, they will carry your face to use it to oppress that person. The next day, the person will call, if you ever in your life call my number. Why? Because you are under the influence of witchcraft manipulation. Please, I urge you as a believer. I always say, when there are witchcraft around you, take your time to deal with it. Take your time to fire them with prayer bullets. Take your time to go fasting. Sow a dangerous seed so that they can let you go. Even Jesus Christ said, those my enemies that will not let me to reign over them, breed them and I will slay them. Breed them and slay them. The Bible says, suffer not a witch to live. Witches are not permitted to live, they are permitted to die. Because any man that do not want good thing in your life, they don't supposed to be alive. Because your life is a reflection of Christ. Christ was being made poor so that you can be rich, so that through his poverty, your wealth can come out. As a believer, if you are struggling, it's not the will of God for you. I want to urge you as a believer, don't play with your destiny. Don't allow any man to toy with your destiny. No man have power over your life. The Bible says, for I have given thee power to tread on serpent and scorpion. Witchcraft don't have power over your life. Marine or any kinds of demonic power don't have what it takes to dictate your destiny. Life can never cooperate with you. Life can never give you what you want until you place a demand on what you want. You have a right over your destiny. How far you go in life, it is predetermined by what you put in your life. Don't joke with your life. Remember, Children are coming to ask you questions. Daddy, where were you when Uncle make it? Where were you when Auntie make it? Please don't allow your children to ask you that question tomorrow. My name remains Phoenix, your very dream activator. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Naija Christian Movie. Always subscribe to enjoy all kinds of good Christian movie you need to transform your whole destiny. Always remember, no matter what the matter is, it will matter when it matters most.